Look at them man.
But police went there. I'm wondering if they can come around and on this hill up here, so...
the fuck they did, man? Look at this shit. Woo-hoo-hoo.
So something is going on right here. And that looks like it was that shooting place. I was here like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. I checked out that shooting space right there. And here you go, there was an explosion. Holy shit. There is many cars and there is many firefighters. There is another one. What the heck happened? Okay, so now we will smoke some cigarette right there, checking out the situation down there. And that's it, man. Then it's gonna be enough of riding for today. Yes, joking. Yes, very good. The situation down there is real, man. Oh, one fucked up nigga. And now there is coming a tractor. I don't know, looks like the firefighters are not enough. They will ambush the fire with the tractor, man. Crazy shit. And here you go, man. The police. They have a damn jeep car, so gotta be careful, man. So now the cop car is riding over the grass. Don't care about the grass for farmers. They wouldn't go on the trail, of course, man. Okay, I almost smoked a cigarette, but police went there. So I'm wondering if they can come around and on this hill up here. So I'm leaving this area right now, man, because it's not safe for Papa anymore. These stairs are moving, man. I still have a cigarette right here. Oh, a little bit of water. How much of a place is burned? I'm a little bit worried because police is there and I'm just walking around here like some stupid. But look at this shit. Let me record you. All this is burned. What the fuck just happened? I don't get. All this is burned. And all down there. And you can see there is a fire truck. You can see the water there. They're still trying to take down the fire. Oh shit, it's not corona, man, but it's a fly in my throat, man. Oh lord. A že veste kaj je bilo?
Mislim, da se je hrib unel.
Dejansko zdaj je danes.
Ja, danes ja, kaj pa je bilo, pa ne, nisem šel da gledati.
Ja, mislim, jaz sem videl, da je ene 100 metrov hriba sežganga.
Ja, pa
Sam nisem šel raj zranke policija, tako.
hitro prišli.
No, ajde.
What the fuck? Look at this shit, what happened, man?